Otegon chobalo mwade mangano. Idonte, I've been searching for you. Otegon chobalo asadimo yoko. Idonte, I've been searching for you.
Hello you guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. You guys, before I tell you guys the reason I'm recording this video, of course you already know, it's because of this look right here. Like, come on. Well, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, to the new ones, to the old ones. You guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Like, we are climbing the ladder so fast that I cannot even believe it. Like, it's unbelievable. You guys, I really want to say thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much. And let's come back home. Today's video is all about this palette right here. You guys, I kind of recreated the look I saw on the cover. So what do you guys think? Did I do well? So I will be working with this Ever Beauty Professional Cosmetic palette. This is the palette that I'll be working with today. And this one is an eyeshadow palette. Let me show you guys how it looks. It's an eyeshadow palette. So this is the one I'll be working with today. I use this one to create this look. And also, I am also reviewing the Classic Makeup powder palettes. Yes, you guys. So we are doing 2 reviews today. I just want to show you guys how I was able to achieve this look using both of this palettes. So that being said, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe to my channel. Let us keep the family moving to the permanent side. And if you are not following me on Instagram, what in the world are you waiting for? Go follow me on Instagram. And that being said, after watching this video, if you think you like my content, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. So to the tutorial now. Before I apply any makeup on my face, I will be applying coconut oil. Yes, you guys, this is coconut oil. I will be applying coconut oil on my face. It's just to give it that under shine. This is something that I started doing recently and I really love it, and I will advise you guys to give it a try. So let me just quickly apply the coconut oil on my face. Not too much, just something. After applying coconut oil all over my face, I will be going in with my Black Opal Stick Foundation. I'm going to use my beauty blender to dab, but as you know, before you use your beauty blender, you want to make sure it's wet. So it's wet. It looks kind of dry, but it's wet. So I'm just going to use it to blend. I will be going in with my Zika Foundation. This is golden caramel. As you know, there is no pump, so I'm just going to use the bottom of one of my brushes to take that out. As you can tell from the look on my face, like, this foundation is giving me the yellowish, like, I don't know, but anyways, I'm going to sort this out. To contour my face, I will be using another Black Opal Stick Foundation. This is in the shade, this is Hazelnut. I am running out of this. Like, it's empty, almost empty. I'm just going to scrape it, economize. Next, I will be going in with my MAC Studio Finish Concealer. This is the shade NC35, you guys. So to highlight my face, that's what I'll be using. guys, that brings us to the palettes that we will be doing a review for today. Like I said earlier on, the palette that I will be using today, the powder palette, is this one right here. Classic Makeup, the 6 shades compact palette for professional makeup artists. But anyways, anybody can use it. They just put professional there to like trick you a little bit. So you guys, this is the palette that I'll be using today, and this is my first time trying this palette. I've never used it before. You guys, you know I have, where is it? This is my favorite, like this is the one I always use, but today I got this one and let's just see how it goes. So let me open it for you guys to see. This is how it looks. As you can see, I've not used any one. This is how it look, and right here they have dark, chocolate, deep dark, ebony, medium, and light. So the one I'll be using to contour my face is this one right here, the dark, and I think I will try the light to highlight my face. Let's just see how it goes. I hope this palette performs magic. I don't know, I think I have to be careful. This is really, whoo, that's harsh. Okay, let me just be careful and apply that gently. So now I'll be using a smaller brush to go around the outer corner of my nose. I think I was able to save it a little bit. Next, I am going to highlight my face. So this is the one I will be using. Let me get this. So I'll be using this light. This is the one I'll be using. Okay, I think we can work with it. On camera it looks like it's very light, but here, like real life, it looks very, I don't know if I should say this is brownish, but it doesn't look in like right on my face. As I can see, it doesn't look the same way on camera, but so long it looks good on camera, we are good to go. At this junction, I am just going to go off camera and finish my eyebrows. Yeah, you know, if I start to draw my eyebrows here right now on camera, it's going to take the whole day. So let me just quickly do that off camera. I will be right back. For my eyeshadow, this is the palette that I will be using, you guys. It's the Ever Beauty Professional Cosmetic Palette. This is also my first time of using this palette, but something tells me that it's going to rock. It's really nice. So the one I'll be working with today, so this is the one that I'll be going for, this one right here. Yes, I'm sure you can tell. You can see the difference, right? Like, I am just going to cut my crease. I'll be using my camouflage, my Catrice camouflage cream. I am thinking of going in with this. Just this one right here. I think I'm okay with those colors, the eyeshadow that I use. I think I'm okay with them. So to go under my waterline, like under my eyes, I'm just going to go in with this Kajal eyeliner. First, I'm going to go in with a white one. Next, I will go in with this Essence Electric Vibes liner. This is a new one. I haven't used this before, so I'm just trying it for the first time. Let me just see how it works. I think it's not bad. It's really nice. I like it. Let me go with this pink right here. You guys, the only thing I don't like about this palette is that it's really falling. Like, as you can, I don't know if you guys can really see that. You see, it's really falling. It's like disaster. Now I think I want to add a little bit of darker colors at the end of both eyes. I just want to add something dark. Let me see which one I can work with now. Okay, let me just take this one right here. I'm just going to line my eyes. This is the calligraphic ultra slim eyeliner pen, you guys. I like this one. My battery died, so I had to quickly like change battery, and let's just continue with the look. Now to add a little bit of shine around my, not like shine, like to highlight my cheekbone again after applying the pink blush, I'll be using this one. This is something that I got as a gift from a friend, so I don't even know the name. What's here? Just a bronzing powder. That's what I'll be using. Right now I'm just going to continue with my lip, but I'm a little bit confused. I don't know which of the lipstick I should go with. This one is from Rimmel, this is from Rimmel, and this is from Essence, and this one is also from Cathy Kit Gloss. You guys, I don't really know the one that I should go for. I think if I go with this, it's going to go well with the eyes, but I think it's going to be too much. And at the same time, I think if I go with this one, you guys, what should I do? What should I do? Okay, I think I'm just going to go with a nude lipstick because my eyes, there is a lot of drama there. Or should we just be all dramatic today? Okay, then I'm going to go with the Cathy Kit Gloss. See the hot pink? Okay, what? Let's go. I'm not cool with this pink. It looks nice anyway. It's not working for me, you guys. At this junction, I'm going to apply some eyeshadow just to give it this hot pink look. So this pink right here, I'm just going to apply it on it. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you did. At the end of the day, I was able to snatch this face, and I know you like it. Even if you don't like it, you watched it till the end. Thank you so much. That being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.